Do you know, as like Chitty's schema, SQL Server also holds schema in it? If not, this video is specially for you. Hello all, welcome to Gokul Tech. In this video, we are going to discuss about schema in SQL Server and databases. What is schema? Schema is nothing but categorization of data or the table inside the databases. For an example, if you consider an industry, there we have multiple departments, right? HR, finance team, workers team, security team, maintenance team, so on. So these people are categorized under their own departments. Likewise, this schema helps us to store the data according to the category which it belongs to. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to create a schema in database, how to transfer a database table from other schema to the created schema. Third, what is the difference between existing schema or predefined schema and user defined schema? Let's start with the today's session. I'm writing a new query which is to use students database. Before creating a schema, let's see in our databases, do we have any table or schema available? So in our previous video, we have created this database students, and in the table, we can see the created table is already available, which is named as marks. You can see the table is addressed as dbo.marks. This dbo is the address which is called as schema, where this is a predefined schema. Whenever you are creating a table without giving any schema name, it automatically enters as dbo. But now we are going to create a new schema. Create schema education. So this is automatically created. Now I am going to make this marks table into the newly created schema. Alter schema. I'm going to alter the schema education and transfer the marks into it. Let's execute this line. It says successfully completed. Let's check in our tables by refreshing it. Now we can see that the dbo.marks is changed into education.marks, which means the newly created schema is embedded the data into it. To check what are the data available into the particular table, how to get that? Let's write normal query select star from my marks table and execute it. Which says invalid object name marks. This is the difference between the predefined schema and manually defined schema or user defined schema. Which means now what we have to do is we have to give the schema name education.marks. Let's execute the query, and now we got the table details. So to sum up this complete discussion, what we have done is, but we learned how to create a new schema into the particular database and how to transfer the particular existing table from predefined database or any other schema to the manually created schema, and how to check the values in the user defined schema, and the key difference between getting the data from predefined schema and user defined schema. Hope you have understood this concept very clearly. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us. We'll happy to assist you in all the time. Written explanation for this particular video is available in our blog page, and the link for that is available in our description box. We'll meet you in the next exciting video with usage of where class, how to filter the data from the database based on our requirement. Until then, bye from us. Thank you. Have a great day.